Every fraction of a second is crucial in the world of motorsports. Lap-time simulations allows team to optimize the vehicle performance without extensive real-world testing. For this, we follow a 5-step process. The first step is a track generation. We generate virtual tracks using measured data from real-world track. By using the real-world data, we ensure that our simulation actually correspond to the real-world conditions. The second step is vehicle modeling. In the vehicle modeling process, we utilize parameters obtained from reference manuals, measured data, and partly from research. This enables us to simulate behavior of different vehicles and analyze their performance. The third step is modeling the behavior of the driver. The driver model takes the ideal racing line, mimicking the performance of a real racing driver. The fourth step is the simulation. After generating the required models, the simulation program brings together the vehicle model, track, and the driver to run the simulation. Additionally, the vehicle models can be integrated into a static simulator. The fifth step is the analysis. After the simulation, we collect data and analyze it to identify key areas of improvement. If you are also interested in creating wonderful simulations for racing purpose, please have a look at our careers page and contact us.